In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for Facebook posts. If you want to save time, stay consistent, and come up with better content ideas for your Facebook page, ChatGPT can be a very useful tool. Instead of staring at a blank screen and trying to think of something to post, you can use it to brainstorm, write, and organize your content much faster. Let's start with generating post ideas. One of the easiest ways to use ChatGPT is to ask it to brainstorm engaging Facebook content based on your business, audience, or niche. This is helpful when you want variety and don't want your page to feel repetitive. You can ask for ideas for promotions, helpful tips, brand stories, announcements, or seasonal content. The more specific you are, the better the suggestions will be. For example, you could say generate 20 Facebook post ideas for a small online clothing store. This gives you a starting point and helps make sure you never run out of posting ideas. Next, you can use ChatGPT to write engaging Facebook posts. Once you have a topic, ask it to turn that idea into a full post in seconds. You can adjust the tone depending on your brand voice. If you want the post to sound professional, friendly, persuasive, or more casual, just include that in your prompt. You can also ask for strong hooks at the beginning to capture attention, along with a clear call to action at the end, so readers know what to do next. For example, you might say, write a Facebook post promoting a summer sale with a friendly and engaging tone. This is a simple way to create posts that are designed for engagement and shares. You can also create content for different goals. Not every post should be promotional. A strong Facebook strategy usually includes a mix of promotional, educational, and entertaining content. ChatGPT can help you write customer testimonials, success stories, polls, questions, and discussion starters. This is especially useful if your goal is to increase comments, start conversations, and build stronger brand awareness. For example, you could ask, write 5 Facebook posts designed to increase comments and engagement. Finally, use ChatGPT to optimize and schedule your content. You can ask it to generate multiple versions of the same post so you can test different messaging styles. You can also request hashtags, emojis, and calls to action when they fit your brand. To stay organized, ask ChatGPT to build a weekly or monthly content calendar. For example, create a 30-day Facebook content calendar for a digital marketing agency. This makes it much easier to maintain a consistent Facebook presence and keep your content strategy on track.